Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shirin Kazi. This is Fairy Candles worksheet class 3rd. This is GK lesson number 8. Figure it out. Match the state codes with their names. AR Arunachal Pradesh. AR Arunachal Pradesh. CH Chandigarh. CH Chandigarh. HR Haryana. HR Haryana. DL Delhi. DL Delhi. MP Madhya Pradesh. MP Madhya Pradesh. OR Odisha. OR Odisha. RJ Rajasthan. RJ Rajasthan. TN Tamil Nadu. TN Tamil Nadu. AP Andhra Pradesh. AP Andhra Pradesh. BR Bihar. BR Bihar. PB Punjab. PB Punjab. JH Jharkhand. JH Jharkhand.